Welcome, everybody. It is Bob at Two Pops Breaks. Tuesday, August the 9th. We are breaking BombBox full-size helmets. We randomed up our 24 remaining box numbers. We got box number 9. We did random team sales on your left. We've already randomized teams and customers. We alphabetized everybody. We gave you all a chance to trade. If my damn knife would go under there. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Nobody in a trade mode tonight. So here we go. Alright, we're going to see who gets a repeat. Well, Jets going to get the freebie. Next spot, guys. Jets taking the freebie. Oh, another very solid hit, guys. Continue to pull pretty well. Maybe not one of our big monsters, but a very, very, very solid hit for you. Going to be the Bengals with the Ja'Marr Chase, guys. Lunar Authentic. Beckett Witness hologram. Chase hologram as well. Ja'Marr Chase, Bengals, and Jets are going to get our freebie. Well, Gigi's getting a do-over. Well, and Hank, man, Hank and them had a rough series up until Sunday night when they finally started getting back on track. Starting off tonight on the right track for those guys as well there. Ja'Marr Chase, again, one of the top receivers in the league for you, and a very nice Lunar Authentic. Alright, that was Hank, right? Yep, Hank. And GG's getting a do-over, guys. So that is going to wrap up that one boxer, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. We usually go 6 nights a week. So stop on by and join us, everybody.